playing with the camera.
New features. You want to go home after this? Stop barking. Right. Sit in place. Good.
More. Let's have a look at Jordan's shoes.
Optimistic, like it.
No one like Jordan's little shoes? Just, you see his shoes? Littles. Wow, impressive.
4 properties, 1 place in Cadcup. Trying to get by 1,000 like that.
Star Trek. What's your dope?
Go at the front, are we?
It will be, make sure really.
Yeah, well,
You have to pick him up, it's a big gap. No, you have to pick him up, it's a big gap.
Don't you have to pick him up?
Good boy!
We will be travelling to Cheltenham Spa.
Croeso ar dre Trafnidiaeth Cymru. Byddwn yn teithio I Cheltenham Spa.
Welcome on board Transport for Wales. We will be travelling to Cheltenham Spa.
You got on right there today.
Yeah.
Oreo was really good, he jumped on. It's just Bailey was unsure.
I mean, obviously I've got
It was a big gap, mind, to be fair. He was only little.
I'm sorry, son. Lower down.
Did they know about it?
Make sure you get those trees.
Any other comments you want to have?
Just a lovely view of the trees. Oh, there you go. Don't look at me, look at that. Look at the view of that. It's lots of green and loveliness and wonders of nature.
Right, Farmer Jordan.
Oh, it's like this, isn't it? It's like tree.
Farmer Jordan with his gillet and his little trainers.
I only go in style.
Class.
Swear black.
like Narnia, isn't it?
Oh, they've never done it before, have they? Their first train trip. Lydney? Lydney. Huh?
Lydney, work up. You check beforehand?
Yes, please.
Do you know these are magic doors? Because the water's actually higher in here than it is out there.
Yeah.
So if there's a boat on the other side and you open the doors, that's certainly done for. There we go.
Take it easy. Oh, sorry, Megan. No, we can buy some more. We've got actually a spare one for them.
Yeah, I got you bottles.
Thirsty boys. A long walk, isn't it? So, I'm going to drink all that, aren't I?
You've got to get them more.
Yeah. Big ears, flapping in the wind. Awesome.
Can't go very far.
Having a treat.
You mind go get some coffees and stuff? I don't lose your badge.
Good morning. It is Saturday and we've decided to go for a walk over to the Lydney Harbour. So you would have seen already, we took the dogs on the train for the first time and they were really, really good. And now we just sat down, give them a drink and a treat, and we're going to go and get, well, Matthew and Jordan have gone to get coffee. I'll just turn this round. See. They're over there in the distance. Bailey's not very happy about the fact they've walked off. They're a bit concerned about where the two men have gone. But yeah, so we're just gonna take you along and with our day and just see what we find with the boys. Sorry, what have we got?
So I got a flat white. You, Megan, you got a cappuccino. Geordie's got
Oh, that's quite good.
milkshake.
Something, yeah.
What's in there?
You got brownies.
Brownie each. Oh, okay.
Wait, up to you.
What did you get?
Brownies by the sound of it.
Oh, I meant your drink.
Yummy. Megan like that?
Apologies.
Well, quite nice.
They put chocolate in your cappuccino.
That's so annoying. I hate
I wasn't
coffee.
paying attention. They put it in the cup.
I don't think it makes a
Not on top.
difference.
Thank you.
Oh, they feel like this.
Mmm.
Doreen, mine's got a thumbprint in that.
Yum. Nice.
Yeah.
It's melted though. I think they need to put them in the fridge.
Go on then.
Oh, no, because I seen Geordie shake. I remember I was out in Dubai. We were going around the sort of the not so built up areas. Was it Dubai?
That's
No.
the last place you went, isn't
Sorry,
it?
no,
Dubai?
I was out in Oman.
Hmm.
I was out in Oman, and we're up at going around a local town, and we stopped for a drink, and the boys were ordering like shakes.
Hmm.
What is it?
Well, I think one of them
that's
had
why I
like a
don't get it
banana
anymore.
flavoured milk,
Hmm.
a banana flavoured
Oh,
shake,
it's alright actually to be fair.
and then one had like a chocolate shake, and I was like, oh, I fancied a coconut one, the coconut milk.
Okay, yeah.
Because there's less food.
So theirs came out was a nice chocolate shake, a nice banana shake. Mine
Oh
came
no.
out, mine was just a coconut with a straw in it.
We went over our house and had a really good coffee.
You're such a policy person you
Oh,
are.
right.
You're like, ooh,
No,
my
what?
coconut.
No, I wanted a coconut flavoured milkshake. That's what I thought it was going to be.
Where they all ripped into you.
But it was just a coconut with. No, I was like, yeah, of course.
Of course I asked for this.
Yeah, that's exactly what I
What
wanted.
do you think?
So tasty. Natural.
Is it just not? Oh.
Those shakes are horrible, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should have gone on now. I've drunk it. I fancy a shake now.
No, too much to tell you. I was getting paid for 2 things.
It's funny
I
that
didn't
is.
realise this car park was free though.
Do you like my blob?
Well,
Why
I
wouldn't
need
it?
somewhere to come for a walk, isn't
There
it?
you go. My camera wouldn't turn around
If we bring
then.
Mans
So-
here and the dogs.
This blob is mine. and
Yeah,
ours.
you and Mans could come here and just walk around and get
Yeah,
coffee.
You don't have to, walk here. Take the train.
Oh yeah, we're not doing that. I'm driving. all the way.
Bailey is down there somewhere under.
No, I don't like trains.
Don't you?
No, after Cardiff, there's the train at hand.
Yeah. Oh wow. Thanks, Jordan. Thanks for the confidence. Don't fall through it, Ma, honestly.
I'm only joking, it's fine, because I went over it.
Megan, I'm still on it. God, my kids are so mean.
Luckily, got some taken.
Right, next time leave him. Leave Farmer Jordan here. All the boats. I haven't got my glasses on, so I actually can't see very much. Is it? Hold on, babes, I can't hear you. What did you say?
I said we can go for a walk over that way another day, like, 'cause, you can actually walk around by that one and all sorts.
It's very cool. Oh, what's this for? What is this?
You see my house?
Oh, is it just a view thing, is it? It's just like...
No, it's shade. And it's
Oh, it's, actually it's quite shady in here.
It's shade and it's quite
Oh, how tall do you think people are?
Honestly, it's all they need.
For little people? Not going to see much out there.
Slots, don't
They're
they?
what?
They're
Sorry.
rifle slots.
Rifle.
Bow and arrows.
Yeah, get in front of it, Geordie.
What?
What? Yeah, go on,
I've
George.
seen the nettles and stuff.
Yeah, it's a bit overgrown everywhere.
I'm daft. but not
Wow.
daft.
That's so pretty.
Wow, man, look at the view.
We're gonna do some filming. Do some filming, honey.
This view is... See more. I can hear, like... Hear water.
You got a blackberries in there for a nice pie.
You want a nice pie? Go on, you get some blackberries then.
No, that's what we're doing.
Think about having pie. What about apple pie?
Wow, that's loud.
No, it's
Oh wow, look at that. Can't quite see it on camera, that's a shame. It's blurred. You can, but you've got to go down there, look, Megan.
no, it's
And I'll watch you.
it's a shame though.
Oh, that'd be great to get down there.
Well, I think that's
What goes? Where?
In the corner there.
Oh yeah, down there.
That's why I said it was artificial. Look at all these yachts. Baby yachts.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's loud, isn't it?
Could definitely drown it.
Yeah. Even the best of swimmers.
That doesn't sound like
I don't know what that is. I don't know what the rock's for.
They claimed a rock.
Someone's claimed it. Yeah, well done.
Walk past people already. Low
Oh.
surface.
Oh.
I think it used to, I was going to say, it used to have a lot of salmon here, didn't it?
I was
It
going to
still
say,
have.
I thought that was a salmon. Oh, there's a salmon, yeah, the big
In the
one.
middle of it.
Oh, we've got eels.
There's sea trout, eels. Me and my mates used to go fishing
In here?
in the estuary
Yeah,
down by where the bridge is.
yeah.
All we ever used to catch was just eels.
So what did you do with them? Chuck them back in?
Yeah.
But they're really slimy.
Slippery little
Can
bar
you eat
stools.
them?
Bar stools. Yeah, you can eat eel. Oh, well, I wouldn't.
Taste good though.
No, it's not something I'd
that's
want.
a traditional meal, Brett. Did you know that?
What?
Eels and chips.
Eel and chips?
Yeah, that's eel and chips.
In England?
Yeah, that is.
Not in Wales?
England, yeah. Well, British.
I mean, this is a nice walk. Would I do it again?
Where did all these people come from?
I probably wouldn't come this far again because it's quite far away from where we live. But
It's an appearance of random folks.
only reason being, I thought you'd be able to see more, but
Solar panels on that boat.
it is so overgrown. You literally
That one there.
have to be as tall as Jordan to see over there.
Solar panels. Awesome.
Yeah.
Over there. Oh, he got it. He got it.
That way. Oh, little boats
Dinghy.
over there. So if there's a little boat over there, that means they're not in their boat. I seen another chap in that boat over there, the bigger one.
Jordan's found a plaque,
Something about a sailor.
but unfortunately,
Dead.
you can't really appreciate it because
Here lies stinging of nettle.
It was put there.
it likes stinging nettle. Like that
2014
one.
It was put there
2014.
by the friends of.
But then that's sad. Why wouldn't they like?
What? Apparently it's a sailor.
Come on.
Oh, you keep going, isn't it?
Yeah, another wee. I think you must have had 15 wees since we've been walking. What's that for?
Another rock they found.
What?
Oh,
Oh,
sorry.
sad. What's it for?
How many times did Fred Burton die?
Can't really see anything. Oh, that's so sad. There's a lot of Burtons.
Oh, that's senior. You got
Yeah.
senior and a junior on there.
This is the Button Rock.
It is a button rock.
Another memory.
Thanks, yeah.
Oh, so you could just put your
Lord.
plaques on there, can
Father
you?
and
The guy
son's
was
on
killed
there.
on the Somme, Battle of the
Oh
Somme,
God,
1916. That was the most bloodiest part of the war. That was the First World War.
that's so sad. That's sad. Huh?
Why are they on there?
What could I see? Oh, the cameras don't really pick it up, hon.
You should be able to see through seat belt.
Yeah, you can't see anything.
Stick your camera in closer.
You can't see anything.
They literally just
This guy's facing down, is it? There you go, look.
You can't. You can't see anything. It's just a shiny.
It doesn't. It just says beloved mum and dad, nanny and pappy.
It actually gives a reason, like kill.
Poor dog wants to
Yeah,
walk.
but
These
they
two are
all
still looking
died
at the plaques.
sea. What did they die of? I don't think they died at sea. I think it's just whoever owns this chapter on that.
Right, Oreo.
Disrespectful. Three people that died at sea. Wow, you can see the whole race course.
Wow, that looks even less impressive.
No, we walked past it, didn't we?
Yeah.
To the left, to the left. What?
What? Stonehenge.
No, he said it's a cheap version of Stonehenge, which we're coming up to now. There's.
He said hedge.
Yeah.
Oh, did he?
Don't hedge.
You guys not getting it?
Yeah.
Because there's
Is
a
that the
knockoff.
Severn Bridge over there? I can't
Can't
see it
say
on
the exact
camera.
same thing. It has to be slightly different, so it's a knockoff. Oh, don't trip that up, Gloria.
You could have called it a little henge.
A little henge. A little henge right here, a little henge there.
That is pretty, isn't it?
All that bits.
Boys, do you want to go down there?
Anyone else appreciate a view like
Oh,
this?
it's tides out, isn't it? You can see all the sand.
Why is
Yeah.
there like a...
Do you reckon yeah,
Shows
yeah.
And down there you've got
how shallow this
Oh, is that?
the river
Yeah.
actually is. really.
Severn Bridge. Yeah.
You see the bits of wood sticking out? Used to be a port by there.
I don't think the camera picks it up. Yeah,
And
yeah,
then you got metal
yeah,
you got metal beams by there. as
yeah,
well. So the ships used to come this way where it used to be a bit higher.
yeah.
Is this one of the ferry locations?
Oh, that, yeah. Oh, yeah, probably, because you've got something over there. Yeah, it might be that.
No, the ferry. Well, didn't the ferry, when it was up and running,
supposed to
actually
be
by the Severn Bridge, wasn't it?
There's no such thing as ferries or Father Christmas.
No, the ferry. I think the port for the ferry used to be right by the Severn Bridge,
Yeah, it did.
where this the Sarah,
Yeah, yeah.
Sarah area is, Sarah building, the
What do you mean
the lifeboats, huh?
Restaurant downtown.
The Sarah lifeboats, isn't it?
What's going on here?
Right, these two have tangled themselves because we're busy talking.
And then there was probably another
They
ferry.
take the opportunity.
No, yeah. Here we go. Oh, look, it's very popular. Like, yeah, popular as well.
Why do people actually pay money to see a bunch of rocks?
Very windy.
This way.
You trying to avoid the dog? What's that? Oh, look at that. That's lovely.
Geordie.
It's
You're
Babs.
gonna get tripped, alright?
Good things.
What's your leg is?
Oh
Like
dear,
Bailey
it's
just
tripping
wants
me
to
up.
play with other dogs.
Here we go. Here's Jordan's mini Stonehenge.
Oh.
Here we go. Oh, all right.
Hanging stuff up.
then I stopped.
Right, you.
That was west.
Oh, wait there then. Here we go.
I can take another one.
Yeah.
Do you want to stand to, yeah, that side.
Where am I standing? This side. Basically, these rocks say north. I took a picture. This one says west. It's an angle. You've got to be at a certain angle, and then you can see what they say. It says here, doesn't it? Oh, wait there.
That's this one. You want to stand
So
that side of that rock there.
So what's this say?
Megan
What's
will
it
stand
say?
on that side. Probably I just said north forever. Go eat you alive. Good side of it.
This is
Oh, it's all the way up.
Let's just show Megan's. I asked Megan to take some pictures. So here we go. This is Megan's pictures.
Oh, that looks
So
nice.
tip it slightly for the camera. Right. So yeah, go on then. Flick it over. Nice ones. Nice
really
one. There's
see
some
these.
lines. Yeah. Nice. So yeah, she's done some good ones there. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh wait there. Oh, why have you taken that one?
Oh, and she's next to the bin.
Next to the bin, and then oh, just a picture of a bin. Lovely. Yep, that's nice.
These
And then
are normal ones.
okay, where's the ones that you've sorry, I got to do that. Oh, lovely.
Oh,
Isn't that nice?
Look at those
What a
teeth
great
shine.
daughter. Keep going. So it's supposed to say north. Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's great.
Nice.
excellent.
Thanks.
This is
Yeah,
normal.
that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Yeah, like that one. Like that one.
I thought they were quite nice. I thought the best one was you in the bin.
Note to self.
Did you do that, man?
Daughter's just like husband. Don't ask to take photos.
You carry 4 dogs.
Could I what? Carry?
Yeah, that
Do you want to take?
Why would you carry a dog on a walk? Oh, that, no. A bunker. Bunker. Jordan. A pillar box.
Yeah. You have riflemen in there. Just keep an eye out for knockers.
You can't. That's where I'm gonna go in. I would go in, but there's probably spiders. I mean, if it was a zombie apocalypse, I would.
I'm just seeing it's not nettles. Hold on, everyone.
Careful.
Oh, God, it's no.
Can you go in?
I'm a bit scared. It's a bit dark in there.
Oh.
I love stuff like that. I love ruins and stuff. Anyway, carry on with our walk.
Look how good that looks. That could literally be a wallpaper on a desktop.
It is nice, isn't it? I'll take a picture of it anyway.
Get that.
Get that thing.
Yeah. Let's look at the walk ahead. Oh, shoot! There's children behind. Get rid of that.
View.
And wow, we're supposed to be supervised.
It is.
Again, like I said.
Dock leaf, yeah?
Yeah, and what could be useful?
When you sting a nettle, so they're right
Yes.
next to it, sting you.
And
To wet your bum.
yes.
Yes.
My
Big enough.
pure
That's why.
mum hole. 2 cheeks.
2 cheeks. Megan. Oh, wow.
The sky.
I'm just disappointed with the view. I don't really like stinging nettles. Anyone else?
Ding nettles.
You turn the camera around to me.
I just use this, and it turns around.
Oh, there's a view.
Film that view.
Get it quick, Megan. Actually, babe, this would have been a good little walk when they were little, if we knew about it, and they could have ridden their bikes up and down here. It's quite safe. Because they wouldn't fall off because they fall in the nettles. Yeah.
I can see you.
Oh, they're fortunate for people.
Oh, the people behind don't catch up.
She used to be on a bike.
Kamikaze, wasn't she?
Kamikaze,
She
yeah.
got on that bike and she was
I've
gone.
never shouted brakes, brakes,
Yeah,
brakes.
slow down, child. Everyone else struggled on it, but she was like gone. She would not slow down. I'm sure I filmed it. Like, it's probably somewhere. It's probably one of the films we lost, actually. God, these ducklings are huge. Karen.
Just take a look.
Silly bum.
Just gonna wait for the bars to come up. There we go. How cool's that? Up it goes. There's the family. Should we give the boys some water?
Perhaps it's a different one then.
Well, we missed. We could have gotten that one, could we? Or is it not? We are waiting for the train.
So this one might be quite full because
It's only two carriages, you know.
Is it?
Coaches, yeah, 2 coaches.
Well, I can just stand up anyway.
Yeah, boys are loving the train. home? Yeah? Yeah, there's no one around here, so alright. Looking round. Back to home.
Why are we swap places then?
Where's baby gone? Oh, he's under there. You're having a little sniff everywhere, aren't you? Are we going home, Oreo? Are we going home?
So happy.
Yeah. Pardon? Yeah, I mean they've really been good, and I think they've been better on the train than they are in the car. No, he's been alright because normally he's quite a bad traveller, isn't he, Bailey? No, he's been really good, but I think he's tired. Baby's let down now. Yeah. Fields. What a view. Do live in a lovely, lovely area. Back to Wales. Severn Bridge. Over there. So we know we're going back to Wales. Hello. What are you doing down there, mate? Oh, he wants to sit. Oh, he's sat by me. It's the River Severn, huh? Oh, he likes looking out the window, doesn't he? That's what he's like in the car. That's so cute. Aw. He's lush, isn't he? That's so cute. He's looking out the window, yeah.
He just can't help himself.
And he just wants to say hello to everybody. They are, they're very different, aren't they? Oh no, just push it.
They look interesting.
Oh.
Not a fan of those houses.
No.
They look really poorly made.
Yeah, they're not great.
Do you have the press button?
Yeah, you have to press the button to get out. Bet you dropped your glasses.
Croeso I Casglent.
Oh yeah, we didn't think of that, did we?